That'd be like Billy Bob driving down the street in Galveston.
Any words for the camera? YouTube, baby!
Don't need no rear end. Hey, why couldn't you just pull up in that driveway and back there and you have that little hill?
Right here.
So you got that little
Hell,
hill
you know,
just
if I
come right
could.
up.
You might be able to. No. All right.
If you got that trail is long enough, you should be thinking that hill.
Why not? Give it a shot. Just got a load of pizza.
You want to go get a couple 2x4s? Just for the flat tire? Okay.
I might throw a board or something. You guys got any 2x laying around? Throw a 2x or 4x down there.
Yeah.
Have you here, Grant? All right.
Do what? YouTube, baby. YouTube, baby. Yeah. Steer that way. Okay. Okay, straight.
There you go. Don't turn left with it. That's just a hair.
We got a semi coming down the road. Oh.
Here we go. Now, I'll be back.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, now back.
Straight, straight, straight. Keep coming. Okay, you're there. Thank you, Mr. Lloyd.
No more than an axle. Wow.
It's all going on YouTube.
I was gonna say this thing will go viral. Name it something really, really crazy, like Billy Bob. I don't know, something. That was so cool when we were going around the corner back there. Looked like he was just driving through the yard.
Billy Bob's truck driving school.
I really should have set a board underneath that tree too. I can pick it back up. Yeah, he was carrying the bed there. Yeah. This side's up good. I'd say just get up the bed. I can't see that more.
back down. Let me slide this over. I'm going to slide this one over so it hits both frame rails. Clear. Just a hair. You're up?
Chain's clear.
Well, I'm going to try and lift up a little bit and put a piece of spine with that frame rail over here.
Oh.
The gas tank hang down off further? Oh no, right there. That part right there is just one side. Yeah. Okay. Let me get over. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah. That's much more stable.
I got the phone.
Hey, are you gonna post that? You want me, my number? Can I give you my number so that you tell me what it's posted under, or how would I search for it?
Put it in text message.
Just look under Chrisman161.
Crispin 161.
Yeah, Chrisman_161.
Okay.
And that's how we load trucks on trailers with no rear axles.